Vehicle preconditioning heats or cools the vehicle's interior to provide cabin comfort before entering the vehicle. When plugged into a charge source, it also preconditions the battery to its optimum temperature once charging has completed. This assists the vehicle in achieving optimum range and performance for your departure. To select vehicle preconditioning from the touchscreen, select Extra Features, followed by Vehicle Preconditioning. Touch the power icon and touch to set a departure time within the calendar area. A departure time can be adjusted once an available departure time has been selected. Touch the Settings icon to adjust the preconditioning settings. Touch Preferred Charging Time to set a charge time to benefit from off-peak tariffs. Once selected, touch the up and down arrow keys to manually adjust the time further. Touch Delete All Departure Times to delete all saved departures. When the Start-Stop button is pressed to switch the car off, the Goodbye screen provides an overview of current departure time, timed charging activation, and current range. To take advantage of the preferred charging period, it must be activated before each charge event. If you have activated the Jaguar InControl remote smartphone app, you can also remotely set the vehicle preconditioning.